I welcome you all in episode 178 of Explore Yoga. In today's episode, we will learn about Dugdh Neti Kriya. Dugdh Neti Kriya is also a hygiene nasal cleansing technique like Jal Neti Kriya. It is intended to clean the nasal passage with the help of lukewarm milk. It is very useful and is recommended to perform Dugdh Neti Kriya after Sutra Neti. While performing Dugdh Neti Kriya, one should breathe through the mouth. It should be practiced under the guidelines of a yoga expert. Milk to be used for Neti should be lukewarm and filtered. After explanation of the technique of Dugdh Neti Kriya, I will demonstrate this Dugdh Neti Kriya. First of all, we take a special Neti lota, fill 100 ml of lukewarm water in it, and then we sit in squatting position or simply in Vajrasana or any other asana. Insert the nozzle of the lota into the nostril and close the other nostril. Drink the lukewarm milk through the nostril. After drinking the milk, keep the lota aside. Lie down flat on the back. Relax your whole body for 2 to 3 minutes, and you may increase later on. By practicing regularly, you may increase the quantity of milk gradually over a period of time up to 200 milliliter of milk. After mastering of Dugdh Neti Kriya along with special Neti lota, a sadhaka can perform this Kriya by using a simple pot or a glass. Like today, I will drink this milk with the help of a glass, not a Jal Neti lota. First of all, I will filter this milk like this. This is lukewarm cow milk. Now, just the corner of this glass will be touched below the nostril. Then I will drink it with relaxed atmosphere, relaxed mood. It provides quick relief to persons suffering through high blood pressure, and heart disease. It cures tuberculosis. It helps to cure headache and migraine. There is a bunch of nadis under the space between these two eyebrows called trikuti. All impurities accumulated in this bunch are expelled out by Jalneti and Sutraneti. After that, Dugdneti lubricates this bunch of nadis. It helps the hair of the head to remain black and shining. Today we have learned about Dugdneti Kriya. In the next episode, we will learn more new about cleansing technique. Do Shatkarma under the supervision of a yoga master to detoxify your body to ensure successful progression in higher yoga practices and to live healthy life. Share this video among others to the maximum and subscribe this video channel to get deep knowledge of yoga. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.